Hello. It's nice to see you.
Such a pleasure to come home because I have a very special love for this city.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Well, okay. Well, all right. Well, all right. Well, all right. I wanted to make a song about where I'm from, you know? Big up my hometown, my territory, my state, but I couldn't figure out much to brag about. Well, Prince lives here, we got 10,000 lakes, but wait, the women are beautiful, to me they are, and we're not infested with pretentious movie stars, and it hit me, man. Minnesota is dope, if only simply for not what we have, but what we don't. It's all fair, it ain't out there, it's in there, it's in the mirror, behind the breast, under the hair. Follow the dream, doesn't mean leave the love, roam if you must, but come home when you've seen enough. I love New York and Cali, but I ain't moving. Too overpopulated, saturated with humans, and I'm not big on rappers, actors, or models. If I had to dip, I'd probably skip to Chicago. None of this is to diss, no one, nowhere. Like damn, I'm from Minnesota, land of the cold air. Too many mosquitoes and a fair share of egos. But like my man Sabi says, that's where my mom. So if the people laugh and giggle when you tell them where you live, say. And if you know this is where you wanna raise your kids, say. If you're from the Midwest and it doesn't matter where, say. If you can drink tap water and breathe the air, say. Got trees and vegetation in the city I stay. The rent's in the mail, and I can always find a parking space. The women outnumber the men 2-to-1. Got parks and zoos and things to do with my son. The nightlife ain't all that, but that's okay. I don't need to be distracted by the devil every day. And the jobs ain't really too hard to find. In fact, you could have mine if you knew how to rhyme. This is for everyone around the planet that wishes they were from somewhere other than where they standing. Don't take it for granted. Instead, take a look around. Quit complaining and build something on that ground. Plant something on that ground. Dance and sleep on that ground. Get on your hands and knees and watch the ants walk around the ground. Make a family, make magic, make a mess. Take the stress, fuel your motivation, and build your nest. It sucks that you think where I'm from is whack, but as long as that's enough to keep your ass from coming back. And with a smile and a hint of sarcasm, he says, I beg your pardon, but this is my secret garden. Alright. So if the people laugh and giggle when you tell them where you live, say. And if you know this is where you wanna raise your kids, say. If you're from the Midwest and it doesn't matter where, say. If you can drink tap water and breathe the air, say. If the playground is clear of stems and syringes, say. If there's only one store in your town that sells 12 inches, say. If no one in your crew walks around with a gun, say. And if you ain't gonna leave cause this is where you're from, say. St. Cloud, Minnesota. Mankato, Minnesota. Duluth, Minnesota. Kansas City. St. Louis, Missouri. Columbia, Missouri. Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Madison, Milwaukee. Cincinnati, Ohio. Columbus, Ohio. Boulder, Colorado. Lawrence, Kansas. Tulsa,
We were walking down the block when we thought the bomb went off, and our hearts nearly stopped at the sound. But when we looked and we found that it hit some other crowd, I was glad it wasn't us, yeah, I was proud. 'Cause I fall and I break just as easy as an egg. Yeah, my shell isn't as hard as it seems. And when my insides gush out, there's no telling what's about. When it'll stop, when it'll seed, when it'll bleed. Yeah, I just stay in my home, in my home, in my home. Yeah, I just stay in my home, in my home, in my home. Well, I take a look outside and see the pretty girls walk by, but I can't make myself say hi because I'm scared. It's 'cause I spend all this time all locked up inside. It's the only place I know how to bear. 'Cause you can go out and meet awesome girl you can't defeat, and you think that she must be the one. Until you're walking down the aisle and she takes away your smile. Boy, you wish you hadn't dialed before you run. Oh, you should stay in your home, in your home, in your home. Yeah, you should stay in your home, in your home, in your home. Well, they talk of your past, yeah, they said it wouldn't last, but now they're running pretty fast back on their word. 'Cause it was gone for a while, but it's coming back in style. Better run back where you're from and join the mess. Yeah, we'll just stay in our homes, in our homes, in our homes. Yeah, we'll just stay in our homes, in our homes, in our homes.
Guess I must be having fun. The less we say about it, the better. Make it up as we go along. With my feet on the ground, head in the sky. It's okay, I know nothing's wrong. Nothing. Oh, I got plenty of time. That this must be the place. Oh, I can't tell one from the other. Did I find you or did you find me? There was a time before we were born. If someone asked, this is where I'll be. Where I'll be. Oh, we drifted in and out. To my mouth. Like Indiana Jones, I got a genius in my phone. Macaulay Culkin home alone. Mike Jones, Mike, ooh. Mike and Ike's got me like happy, happy Hanukkah. Oopsie doopsie daisy, my family's a little crazy nowadays. Nothing's fazing me, I think I have ADD. Knock, knock, who's there? No one's there, the world is ending. Knock, knock, who's there? No one's there, the world is ending. Knock, knock, who's there? No one's there, the world is ending. Knock, knock, who's there? Smell my poo. Hear about it, flowers flickering, superpower. Should've saved the world right now, or should've saved it in an hour. Ooh, 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 sha-la-la-la, ooh, like every day's my birthday. It's my birthday. Aquarius, apocalyptic. Ron Paul, Ron Jeremy. I'm in the store, watch them grow, feeding back kids whose moms will never know. A rolling rock that cannot be stopped is a rock called rock and roll. This is the Aquarius apocalyptic, we are slow. Welcome to the show, but before we go, we really, 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 really wanna know, how do you feel?
Pretty damn good, my number one motherfucker.
Ooh, 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 sha-la-la-la, ooh, like every day's my birthday. Ooh, 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 sha-la-la-la, ooh, like every day's my birthday. Aquarius apocalyptic.